Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafeez. So in this video we will learn what is session in Laravel. In the previous video we have already learned what is HTTP request and how to use the HTTP request in Laravel, and we have also learned the what are the HTTP methods in Laravel. So in this video we will learn what is session in Laravel. Actually, session is used in PHP to store the information about the users, or we can say that in the Laravel, the session we will use to store the HTTP request information about the user. So let us see how to use the session in Laravel. For that, we need to open the project. This is the fresh Laravel project which we have already installed in our previous video. So let us open the text editor. This is the Laravel project, and we will use the user controller which we have already created in the previous video, and we have created one route for this users. So let us check this URL. Now you can see this is a simple form, it has no design. So we will use this form in session to store the user information in session. So let us see how to use the session. When we submit the form, then we will get the request in user data function. So when we get the request, we will store the user information in session, and after that we will fetch the user information from the session. So let us see user login. Session request session put, and in the first parameter we will pass the key of the session, for example name, and in the next parameter we will pass the incoming request data or user information, and we will save the username name of the user which we are getting from the users view. This one we will save this, and after that we will fetch this session from the session variable. So let us refresh this page. So submit this form. Now we have submitted this form. And now you can see we have stored the name of the user in session variable which have the key name. So let us fetch this name from the session. For that, $name session get, and we will pass the key name, we will commit this and echo this name. Now you can see we are getting the name from the session. We are using the session because if we want to use any information in our whole web application, then we will use this session in Laravel or PHP web application. Or we can say that if we want to retrieve any information about the user in the whole application, then we will use this session in Laravel. For example, if our web application have multiple pages, 30 to 40 pages, then we will use the session variable to fetch a common information about the user in all the pages. So in this video we have learned how to use the session variable in Laravel and how to get the session data from the session in Laravel. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.